what is the question is given? Consider an ellipse whose center is at the origin and its major axis is along the x-axis. If its eccentricity is 3 by 5 and the distance between foci is 6, then area of the quadrilateral inscribed in the ellipse with vertices as vertices of the ellipse అంటున్నాడు. So ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నాడు, he has given one ellipse, the center of the ellipse he has given as origin. Suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Center of the ellipse he has given as at the origin and the major axis is along the x-axis he has given. That means the ellipse will be in this form. The ellipse is in this form. Then he is asking, then find the area of the quadrilateral inscribed in the ellipse with vertices as vertices of the ellipse. Here what are the vertices of the ellipse? This is A, this is A dash, this will consider as B and this as B dash. So vertices of the ellipse are A, B, A dash, B dash. With the same vertices we have to inscribe one quadrilateral in this ellipse like this. So the vertices of the quadrilateral also nothing but the vertices of the ellipse has given. That means the vertices of quadrilateral are also A comma B comma A dash and B dash. So if you inscribe a quadrilateral in this ellipse, is asking what is the area of this quadrilateral. So to find the area of this quadrilateral, we have to find first the vertex A and B. What are the vertices of a ellipse? To find those vertices, here what are the conditions as given? Eccentricity has given 3 by 5. Eccentricity means E is equal to 3 by 5 he has given. And second condition what he has given? The distance between foci is 6 he has given. So in ellipse the distance between foci means what we get? 2AE. So he has given 2AE is equal to 6. So 2 will go in 6 3 times. So we will get A is equal to 3. And the value of E he has given as 3 by 5. So now substitute value of E here. A into 3 by 5 is equal to 3. Here 3 will get cancelled. So A is equal to 5. We got the value of A is equal to 5. And then we want the value of B also, small b also. So in ellipse we know E square is equal to 1 minus B square by A square. We write. The eccentricity E square is equal to what you can write? 1 minus B square by A square. Here E has given as 3 by 5. So E square means what we write? 9 by 25 is equal to 1 minus B square by A square. So from this B square by A square means what will you get? 1 minus 9 by 25. So if you take LCM, 25 is LCM. Here what we get? 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 means 16 by 25. So we got the value of B square by A square is equal to what we got? 16 by 25. So already we got the value of A. A is equal to 5. A square means 25. So denominator A square will be 25 and B square is equal to 16. From this B square is equal to 16 and then the value of B will get 4. So that means we got the vertex A as 5 comma 0 and the vertex B we got as 0 comma 4. So now what do we want? We want the area of the quadrilateral A, B, C. This total area we want. A, B, A dash, B dash quadrilateral area we want. So from this area of quadrilateral A, B, A dash, B dash means what we can write means since the ellipse is symmetric with respect to x-axis and y-axis, this coordinate axis divides the quadrilateral into 4 equal parts. The quadrilateral is divided by coordinate axis into 4 equal parts. So that is quadrilateral area of quadrilateral can be written as 4 into this is center C. This is one of triangle. We can write 4 times of area of triangle ACB. We can write 4 times of area of triangle ACB. We can write that is 4 into area of triangle is what like half into base into it. That is half into CA into CB will write. That is 4 into half into CA. A we got 5 comma 0. A we got 5 comma 0. So length of CA what we can take 5 units. B, coordinates of B we got 0, comma 4. That means the length of CB will be 4 units. So I will here 2 will be in 4 2 times. That is 2 into 5 10. 10 into 4 is 40 square units. So the area of the quadrilateral will be 40 square units. So that is the area of the quadrilateral inscribed in the ellipse with vertices as vertices of the ellipse is 40 square units.